Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing everyone's favorite dog, Bluey. It's going to be super easy and fun, so come join me. Alright guys, so let's draw Bluey. This is going to be super fun and it's going to be super easy, so let's get started. Grab whatever marker, crayon, color pencil you have, and let's get drawing. Alright, so Bluey's like a rectangle, so we're going to start with his body. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a rectangles that curve at the end. So maybe first I could start with a short horizontal line, and I left some space on the top and some space on the side. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curve down. Instead of like a regular rectangle, I'm just gonna curve down, and I'll do the same thing on this side. And then I'm gonna come down like a rectangle with a vertical line, do the same thing on this side, and I'm gonna curve in just like we did here. So I went here, I'm gonna just fix this a little bit, and curved, and I'll do the same thing here. So I'm going to curve, I'm going to draw a horizontal line, and then I'm going to curve when I come to this side. So there we have his body. It's a rectangle, and then from there we could draw some details of his face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with his eyes, and then right here on the left side I'm going to leave a little space at the top, and on the side I'm going to draw an oval, and it's going to be a pretty big oval. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to draw an oval. So there I have his eye. I could do the details of his eye, and on the inside I'm going to make a smaller oval. So here I'm going to make just a tiny oval in the middle. That's one detail, and then we could go on. So his eye is going to be behind his nose, so I'm going to continue with his nose. So right here in the middle of the oval, I'm going to draw a horizontal line that curves like a hook. So I made a horizontal line and a hook. And then from here, I'm gonna come down and make the rest of his nose. So it's gonna be a curved line that goes up like a smile. So I'm gonna make a line that comes down, and I'm gonna curve up from here like a smile. So there we have part of his nose. And then we can continue with his other eye so he doesn't look weird like that. And I'm gonna do his other eye, and it's gonna be behind his nose. So I'm gonna make an oval like this that connects to his nose. And the same thing here, I left some space on the top and on the sides. So there we have his eye, and from here I'm going to continue with the rest of his face. So I could do the eyeball on this eye, and it's just going to be a half oval or just like a mountain or a hill. I'm going to come up and I'm going to come back down because the rest of it is behind his nose. We could do the little top of his nose, like the little button on his nose of the doggy, of Bluey, and it's going to be like a triangle that's curved like a rectangle. So I'm going to make a horizontal line, I'm going to curve down and make a diagonal line like a triangle, and I'm going to do the same thing here, curve it, and then come down, little doggy nose. And then from there we could continue with the rest of his face. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one curve like a rainbow on its side, or almost like the letter C, just like that, and I'll connect that there. And then I'm going to come down like almost right under his nose. I'm going to make a diagonal line like this, and I'm going to make a curve like a smile, and this part is going to be his mouth. So there we have Bluey's mouth. And then from there we can continue with the rest of the details of his body. So what I'm going to do is he has like a little patch on his stomach. I'm going to make it right here, and I'm just going to make it big like a rainbow. So I'm going to leave a little bit of space on this side, come up like a rainbow or a hill, and then I'm just going to go to the other side and come back down. And I just left a little bit of space on each side. He has little spots, right? So I'm going to do a half circle on this side. And you could place it wherever. I'm just doing like a half circle or something that looks like the letter C. And then I'm going to do two on this side. So on this side, I'm going to make one right here. It's like a backwards letter C or a half circle. And I'm going to do one that's just a little smaller right above. So those are his little spots. From here, we could do his ears. His ears are a pretty cool part too, right? So what I'm going to do is from the side of his head, I'm going to come up and curve. So his ears kind of look like cat ears. So I'm going to make a line that curves up to a point, just like that. And then I'm going to come back down to his head. So we're making something that looks like cat ears. So there we have one ear. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So I came from the side of his head and I curved up to a point. And now that we drew this one, I could actually come across and say that I'll probably stop somewhere here. So I'm going to just make a curved line that connects here, and I'm going to come back to his head. So those are his ears. All All right, so there we have his ears, his pointy ears, and then from here we could draw the details that go in his ears. So he has eyebrows, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a curve like a rainbow. It's just not too exaggerated, or it's not too big of a curve. It's just a curve like that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook it on each side. So I'm doing like a backward C and then like a regular C, and then I'm gonna make that same curve to connect it. The only thing I could think of that it looks like is like a Cheeto. So we're gonna do the same thing on this one. There we have his eyebrows, and then from here we could do the details inside of his ears. So I'm gonna make a little point like right under here, and I'm gonna curve just like we did for the regular ears. So from here, I'm just gonna curve. I'm not gonna go through the eyebrows, so I'm just gonna go like that, and I'm gonna pretend and continue here. Just like that. And I'll do the same thing here. So I'm gonna come down to the eyebrow, not go through the eyebrow, and then just continue down. So those are little details. Once we color it in, it's gonna look super cool. And we're gonna do the same thing on this ear. So there we have his ears, and then really guys, all we have left are his legs, his hands, and his tail. So hopefully you guys are finding this easy and fun. Please like and subscribe. We have so many cool characters on this channel. So let's do his legs. I think his legs will be cool. After the curve from his stomach, I'm gonna come in more, and I'm gonna come down with a vertical line, and I'm gonna stop somewhere here. So I left some space at the bottom, and I'll do the same thing for the other side of his leg, and I'll stop at the same distance, just like that. And then we're gonna do his other leg here. So I left space on this side, and we're gonna come down with a vertical line, and then we'll come down with another vertical line. To separate his feet from his leg, we're gonna draw one horizontal line across, just like this, to connect the 2 points, and we'll do it to each leg, and then we're gonna continue. So he has like this color of his leg, and then his foot is like a different color. So that's why we did that. But what we could do is I'm gonna continue here on this side with a vertical line, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a line that looks like a hook. So I'm gonna curve it. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna curve into a hook. It looks like a hook. And then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curve up and connect back to this vertical line. There we have one of his feet. And then we could do the same thing here. So I came down like a vertical line. I made a curve that hooks. And I just continued this line back up to that vertical line. There we have both of his feet, and we could do like the little spaces in between his toes. And what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna make a curve like this, like a backward C almost, and I'm just gonna make 2 of them on each foot. These are just little details of his feet. Look at that, Bluey's coming along. All right, so what we could do next is we could do his hands or his arms. His arms are super tiny. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make one line that comes out like a diagonal. So from somewhere on the side, I'm gonna do it like in between the spot. I'm gonna come down with a diagonal line just like this, and I'm gonna make one horizontal line that goes to the body, just like this. That kind of looks like a triangle now. And then from here we could do his fingers. So I'm gonna do 4 fingers. He has 4, and his fingers are gonna be like loops or U's. So we're gonna come up and back down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start on the one that's touching his body, and I'm just gonna make something that looks like the letter U. There we have like the letter U. And his next finger is gonna be the same thing. So I'm gonna continue, I'm gonna make another U. We have 2 U's, or a W now. And I'm gonna do one more right next to it. And the last one is gonna be to the side. So I'm gonna make the loop this way and connect it back into his arm. I'm gonna make the loop just like this. And from here, I'm just gonna go up to his arm. There we have one of Bluey's hands, and we're gonna do the other side. So here we go. I'm gonna come across, start at the same point, come down with the diagonal line, and then make a horizontal line touching that point from his body, and then we'll do his hand the same way we did this one, okay guys? So there we have his hands. I love it. And what do we really have left, guys? His tail and his spots on his face. I almost forgot that. That's like the coolest part. So let's do his tail first. I think his tail is super awesome and fluffy. So what I'm gonna do is from this point, from his leg and his body, I'm just gonna make one curved line that goes out. And it's gonna look like a slide. So we're going down the slide, and I'll stop the slide there. From here, I'm just gonna make loops almost like his fingers, and it kind of looks like a cloud. So right here we have our slide that we made, and then I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna curve like the letter U almost. I'm gonna make a U on the side. This one actually looks like the letter C. So we made a U and a C that are connected. I'm gonna make a little hill like a mountain, and I'm gonna make one more mountain that connects to his finger. There we have his fluffy tail, and the detail of his tail is just one line that separates the tip of his tail and the rest of his tail. So I'm just gonna make a curved line that connects from this point of his tail to this point. There we have Bluey's tail. And then, like I said, guys, we just have his spots on his face and we're done, and we could color him in and we could do the fun part of it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make the little spots on his face, and I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna come and make a curve that goes to his eye. So from the side of his body, I'm gonna make a curve that goes like this. And I'm just gonna pretend that it continues through his eye, and I'll just curve this back to his head. So we did this spot, and now we're gonna do this spot. So I'm just gonna start from the side of his face, and I'm gonna come here to his eye, right? And then like we pretend that we went through his eye, we're gonna pretend we went through this one. And I'm just gonna pretend here, and I'm just gonna curve it and continue to his head. And there it is, guys. There we have Bluey. He looks so happy. And hopefully you guys found this fun and easy. Let's get to the fun part. Let's color him in. Grab whatever crayons, markers, color pencils you have, and let's get started. Stay tuned to see the final look of Bluey. All right, guys, there we have Bluey. Look how cool he came out. It took me forever to figure out which blue to use, but there he is. There we have it. We have the different colors in his ears, his face, his stomach, his hands, and there we have it. Hopefully you guys found it fun and easy, and stay tuned for more cool characters. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.